Do you ever struggle with finding the right outfit every morning? Many of us do, and it often feels like we have nothing to wear despite a closet full of clothes. The key to solving this daily dilemma lies in building a timeless wardrobe that not only simplifies your morning routine, but also doesn't break the bank. Here's our countdown on the top 10 ways to achieve a stylish, versatile wardrobe without spending a fortune. 10. Understand your style. Before you start shopping, take some time to understand your personal style. What types of clothing make you feel confident and comfortable? Browse through fashion magazines, blogs, or social media to identify looks that resonate with you. Knowing your style will help you make more informed choices and avoid impulse buys that don't suit you. 9. Invest in basics. A timeless wardrobe is built on high-quality basics. These are the foundation pieces that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. Key basics include a white button-down shirt, a well-fitted pair of jeans, a black blazer, a little black dress, neutral t-shirts, and classic outerwear like a trench coat. These items never go out of style and can be worn for multiple occasions. 8. Focus on fit. No matter how trendy or expensive your clothes are, they won't look good if they don't fit well. Always choose clothing that fits your body shape perfectly. If necessary, invest in alterations. A well-fitted wardrobe instantly looks more polished and put together. Don't be afraid to size up and then have items tailored to fit you perfectly. 7. Choose versatile pieces. When building a timeless wardrobe, look for pieces that can be styled in multiple ways. For example, a simple black dress can be dressed up with heels and a statement necklace for a night out, or paired with a cardigan and flats for a more casual look. Versatile pieces give you more options and ensure you get the most out of your wardrobe. 6. Stick to a cohesive color palette. A cohesive color palette makes it easier to mix and match your clothes. Choose a few neutral colors like black, white, navy, and beige as your base, and then add a few accent colors that complement your skin tone and personal style. This approach not only simplifies getting dressed, but also ensures that your wardrobe looks harmonious. 5. Quality over quantity. It's tempting to buy lots of inexpensive clothes, but in the long run, quality wins over quantity. Invest in well-made pieces that will last for years, rather than fast fashion items that wear out quickly. High-quality materials and craftsmanship not only look better, but also feel better to wear. 4. Shop smart. Building a timeless wardrobe doesn't mean you have to spend a lot of money. Shop during sales, visit outlet stores, and don't overlook second-hand shops or online marketplaces. You can often find high-quality, gently used items at a fraction of the cost. Additionally, consider clothing rental services for special occasions, so you don't have to buy an expensive outfit you'll only wear once. 3. Accessorize wisely. Accessories can make or break an outfit. Invest in classic accessories like a leather handbag, a good pair of shoes, and timeless jewelry pieces. These items can elevate even the simplest outfits and add a touch of personality to your look. Scarves, belts, and hats are also great for changing up your style without needing a whole new wardrobe. 2. Maintain your wardrobe. Taking good care of your clothes can extend their lifespan significantly. Follow washing and care instructions, store items properly, and make timely repairs. Regularly declutter your wardrobe to remove items that no longer fit or suit your style. 1. Develop a signature look. A timeless wardrobe often includes a signature look that defines your style. It could be a particular type of clothing, a color scheme, or a unique accessory. Having a signature look not only simplifies your shopping, but also helps you feel more confident and stylish. Building a timeless wardrobe that doesn't break the bank is entirely achievable with thoughtful planning and smart shopping. By investing in quality basics, focusing on fit, and maintaining a cohesive color palette, you can create a versatile wardrobe that makes getting dressed each day a breeze. Remember, it's not about having more clothes, but having the right clothes that make you feel your best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.